Hello, coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to Coins, your one-stop destination for everything about coins, history, and value. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Australian currency to uncover the story of the 1981 Australian 50-cent coin. Let's explore its design, history, and of course, its current circulated value. So grab your favorite drink and let's get started. Australia's 50-cent coin has been a staple in the nation's currency since 1966. The current dodecagonal or 12-sided design was first introduced in 1969 to replace the original round 50-cent coin, which was made of silver. The 1981 version is part of this iconic series and was minted during a time when Australia was strengthening its modern coinage. The 1981 coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its unique production details. Thorough fitting, the coin looks like silver and comes in many different colors, such as pale green, violet. Did you know that in 1981, the coin was minted in 3 different locations? These include the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, the Royal Canadian Mint in Winnipeg, and the Royal Mint in Llantrisant, Wales. Each mint left subtle differences in the coins, making them interesting for collectors. Let's take a closer look at the design. The 198150 cent coin features the Australian coat of arms, which proudly displays the symbolize Australia's forward-thinking spirit. Surrounding the coat of arms are stylized wattle branches, the floral emblem of Australia. On the obverse side, you'll find the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machen. This portrait was used on many Commonwealth coins during this era, adding a royal touch to the coin's design. Now let's talk numbers. In 1981, a staggering 81.4 million 50-cent coins were minted across the 3 locations. Despite this high mintage, the coin remains a favorite for collectors due to its historical significance and unique mint marks. But what about its value? In circulated condition, the 1981 Australian 50-cent coin typically holds a value close to its face value, 50 Australian cents. However, uncirculated coins, or coins with minimal wear, can fetch around $1 to $3 AUD depending on their condition and whether they were minted in Canada or Wales, which are rarer. If you're planning to add a 198150 cent coin to your collection, here are a few tips. First, check the coin's condition carefully. Second, coins with fewer scratches, a clear design, and minimal tarnish are always more valuable. Second, if you're lucky enough to find a coin minted in Canada or Wales, hold on to it. These versions are more desirable among collectors. And lastly, always store your coins in protective cases to maintain their value over time. And there you have it, the story and value of the 1981 Australian 50-cent coin. So yes, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, this coin is a fantastic piece of Australian culture. Before we dive into the specifics of the 1981 Australian 50-cent coin, let's take a trip back in time to understand how it fits into the broader story of Australia's currency history. Australia transitioned to decimal currency on February 14, 1966, marking a significant shift from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to dollars and cents. The introduction of the 50-cent coin was part of this transformation. Initially, the 50-cent coin was round and made of 80% silver, but this version was discontinued after just 1 year due to the rising cost of silver. Today, those original silver coins are highly collectible. In 1969, the dodecagonal or 12-sided 50-cent coin we know today was introduced. This shape was chosen to help differentiate it from other coins in circulation and has since become an iconic piece of Australian currency fast. Forward to 1981, and we see one of the most interesting years in the coin's production history. Due to high demand, the 198150 cent coin was minted in not just 1 but 3 locations: the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra, the Royal Canadian Mint in Winnipeg, and the Royal Mint in Llantrisant, Wales. Why multiple mints? It's because Australia faced a growing demand for coins during this time, and collaborating with international mints helped meet this need. Each mint brought subtle differences to the coin's design and strike quality, making these coins a favorite among collectors today. The 1981 Australian 50-cent coin is not just a piece of currency. It's a reflection of a time when Australia was solidifying its modern coinage system while maintaining collaborations with global partners. It's this blend of history, design, and international connection that makes the coin so special. Would you like to include any additional historical insights or details about Australia's currency transition? Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and subscribe too for more exciting coin stories from around the world. Also, drop a comment below and let us know, do you have a 198150 cent coin in your collection?